Ever stumbled upon those awe-inspiring Instagram moments, the kind that make you wish they were real? Well, guess what? Many of those jaw-dropping visuals are AI-generated, and they've got millions hooked. Intrigued by their allure, I decided to crack the code and reveal the magic behind crafting these captivating scenes. Crafting these serene, otherworldly vistas is surprisingly easy, all thanks to the power of AI. Ready to dive into the world of creating your own enchanting scenes for social media? To create these mesmerizing scenes, you'll need an AI image generator. There are various options out there, but for today's adventure, let's consider utilizing Mid-Journey. Alternatively, if you're seeking a cost-free option, there's a gem called Leonardo, offering ample daily credits for free. Start your creative journey by envisioning expansive living rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows. It's the canvas for your imagination. I've crafted a guide specifically for this purpose, details in the video description. Customize it as you please, but make sure your instructions prompt the generator to craft a spacious room with those iconic windows. Once your masterpiece is generated, consider upscaling it for a crisper, more detailed image. Most platforms offer options to enhance image quality. Don't forget to download the final image. Additionally, create a complementary background for the scenery beyond those windows. Use the provided guidelines to craft this backdrop, ensuring it complements your room's ambiance. Now, let's get hands-on. To truly bring your scene to life, precision is key. Cut out the windows from your room image. While Photoshop is the usual go-to, there are alternative browser-based programs like Photopea that work wonders. Use their selection tools to meticulously extract the windows, making sure the cuts are clean and precise. Once done, save the image in PNG format. Moving forward, it's time to add the magical snow effect and create depth behind those windows. Now, let's breathe life into these images using an editing program. In this case, I recommend the intuitive and free-to-use CapCut. Import both your background and window cutout images onto the timeline. Begin with the background, followed by the window cutout image. For that snowy touch, seek a snow green screen video from online sources. Find one that resonates with your vision and import it into CapCut. Place it strategically between the background and window images. Activate the magic by enabling Chroma Key, refining settings to create a lifelike snowfall effect. In some cases, you might need to adjust brightness, contrast, or duplicate layers to achieve the desired snowy ambiance. Play around until your scene feels just right. Feel like tweaking the overall brightness of the background? Adjust it to harmonize with the mood you're aiming for. Finally, export the video showcasing these captivating visuals. Name it, hit export, and watch your masterpiece come to life. But let's add an extra touch of coziness. How about incorporating a crackling fireplace? Find a fire green screen video online, aligning it with your creative vision. Use CapCut to integrate this flame into your scene, adjusting size and position until it fits snugly. To add a dynamic touch, make your video glide across the screen, giving it a subtle movement. It's the final touch to your enchanting visual symphony. And now, behold the enchanting final masterpiece. These techniques aren't limited to Instagram. They're versatile, perfect for creating immersive backdrops for your creative endeavors. I'm passionate about exploring the potential of AI-generated content. If you're hungry for more insights like these, hit the like button and subscribe for more.